YouTube Wagwan, man? You're tuning into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at a video called Worst Thing a Female Has Done on a Date. Now, I know sometimes people are awkward, so, I guess out of just straight being nervous or whatever it is, people do strange things. But I haven't had any horrible experiences, personally. I don't think so. Or I would remember, I believe, but that's what we're going to be looking at today. I'm expecting this to be hilarious just because you just, the internet has really opened our eyes to crazy things that happen. You know what I mean? Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and if you had a horrible experience on a date, both guys and girls, let me know in the comments, man. We're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys later.
What's the worst thing a woman's done on the first date?
I saw that on Twitter, and I saw people doing different quote tweets and stuff.
Bro, I just grabbed a handful of them.
Yeah.
I'm so grateful for this post because it finally allowed men to take the upper hand in this kind of ick war that's been going on. And we've just been taking L after L after L after L after L. Fam, some of them.
Because if you really think about it, like, it's men that are always, like, kind of shitted on in the dating scene type of thing. Like, oh, he didn't pay for this, or he did this. You know what I mean?
Some of them are so funny, you know they're true.
I think I already know one of the ones you're going to read out, but continue, because I saw it on Twitter.
All right, gang. All right, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, cool. All right, cool. So the first one. So, what's the worst thing a woman's done on a date? What's the worst thing a woman's done on the first date? Fucking hell. Told my wife we were on the date.
Okay. What a dumb ass.
Straight off the bat, told my wife we were on a date.
Which she
Sweeted me.
Which she should.
Bro, this one. She got in the car whilst on the phone and said, drive then. Got in the car.
Are you out of your goddamn mind? Not even a hey, what's up? That drive then? Like, am I your butler? Like, what?
I was on the phone and said, fam, drive then. Drive then.
First date.
Got in my car while she's chatting to someone else and said, drive then.
Yeah,
drive then.
She was off her marbles.
Fam?
Fizzing.
Off.
Come out. Come out of the vehicle.
Get out the
You're not going to come in my car. I don't even know you. And you're going to tell me to drive. And it's just the way she said it. Drive that. Like, are you mad?
Now.
First date. Drive then.
Mad?
Like, why are we immobile? I'm middle of a conversation. I've had to pause my conversation to tell you how to do your job. Yeah. Drive this car
to the destination because I'm hungry.
She's 1,000,000% from London. I can tell you that for a fact.
Yeah, that's actually so wild if you think about it.
She is from London.
100% probably.
Like, get out then.
And she's mixed white with some kind of Armenian stroke Turkish stroke them thing there.
Someone with audacity.
Yeah.
Someone with too much audacity.
Yeah. Somewhere where there's usually, she's got bare sisters.
Yeah.
Bare sisters. And the dad's wealthy, but they chat to him like shit. I know exactly who this girl is.
This is so funny.
She's got one brother who's the youngest.
Yeah.
Bare sisters.
So he can't tell him shit.
Yeah, she's a middle child, and she gets doted on at yard. And her mum and her sisters run the ting. She got in the ting and said, drive then. She's nuts.
Fam? I'll be like, what? I'll be looking at her like that.
Fam? Who are you talking to?
You're gonna what?
Who are you talking to? Answer me. Answer me. Drive then.
Done. Date is done. Get out the car.
Yeah, date's ruined. God. She left the table to go for a piss. I thought, yeah, I'll have one too. Only to end up standing at the urinal next to her.
No. Hell no. Yeah, I think that should be illegal, bro. That, you didn't tell him, and now the man is, to his surprise. Yeah, nah. I don't believe that. That has to be a lie. Nah.
Bro?
Nah.
I was not expecting you to say that.
Bro?
I was not expecting you to say that.
Imagine.
I couldn't imagine. I could. The funny thing about that is, obviously, if I'm going on a date or a first date, I'll probably tell one of you, man. You know? So.
You could not tell them how the
Obviously,
date
after
went.
that, one of you man are gonna be like, "How did it go?" I could never,
Like, yeah, I just didn't.
ever
I didn't go.
tell you what just happened.
I stayed home. I wasn't
I'm
feeling
telling you,
well.
you couldn't either. I
No
don't
way.
want you to hide things from me, but you couldn't tell me that. I promise you couldn't. Because you'll never hear the
I know,
end of it.
I know, I
Yeah.
wouldn't. Till the day I die, I'll never hear the end of
Yeah,
it.
that shit is crazy.
Oh,
Yeah, that's a
you'd
carry to
never
your
hear the
grave type of thing, bro. Like, there's no way you would go tell your boys that.
end of it. But yeah, it's mad. Anyway, yeah,
Super
standard.
mad.
You couldn't tell me. Yeah, as what you said, you couldn't tell me.
I could never
But
tell you.
I'd love, for the sake of our friendship and our growth,
yeah.
I'd love for you to tell
Yeah,
me.
I know, of course. The thing is, it's one of those ones where I would never want to tell a soul, but it's something I could never keep to myself
I could keep that shit
because
to
I feel it
myself.
would eat me alive. And it's
It's
also
gonna
one
have
of those
to eat
ones where
me.
I would never want her to tell someone for you, man, to find out without me
Oh
telling
my
you, man.
God,
Oh,
yeah.
if I found out through the grapevine and I know you didn't tell me on purpose,
Yeah.
it's worse for you.
Exactly.
It's worse for
Exactly.
you.
I'm still
it's
not
worse
telling.
for you. Because now you fucked.
Deny.
I knew you were gonna say that. Your
Deny.
mind just goes west.
Yeah.
You're just assuming I've sucked dick and I fucked
Yeah,
her.
yeah.
That's it.
What?
And that's the truth. Because I would think the same. There's no other reason you're hiding unless you banged. You clocked it was a transgender,
Yo.
but you still carried on.
Yeah.
That's
And
what I
again,
would
I'm
think.
not judging you.
I'm not judging either.
But you did it, and there's nothing else you can say. You did it.
just admit it.
Yeah.
Just because it's dumb, bro. Yeah,
Oh,
I would
that's
keep that
That's gonna
for
suck.
the rest of my life. I'm keeping that to myself. This nigga.
Yo, a man said I sucked dick and I fucked her. That's
These guys
it's
are so
true,
wild, bro.
It's so true. If I find out,
I'll never get
from
that far from me
anyone's
in
mouth
this
you
type
put
of
your
thought.
own,
Yeah.
you 100%
It's just a I'm not telling nobody. Enjoy the rest of our lives type of thing.
sucked a penis and you fucked her, and there's no way out of it now. And I'm telling everyone else. All right.
hilarious. That's fucking hilarious.
Next one.
Yeah.
Pronounced remember as remember.
Honestly, that's just funny, but like, how remember. Maybe the man heard wrong, bro. Cause like, remember.
What?
I feel like I'm
Oh
gonna start
my
saying the word until it
Remember.
sounds like gibberish.
Sweeted me.
Nah, man.
Listen, bro. Sweeted me. Pronounce remember as remember. You couldn't say that more than once on one day.
You couldn't say it once because I'm pulling you up.
Fam,
I'm pulling you up.
I'll take my napkin off, fold it on the table and just leave.
I'm pulling you up on that.
Remember.
What did you say? Oh, I can't even say it. It doesn't even come
Remember.
out naturally.
It doesn't.
Do you remember when? Do you remember when we went to?
Oh my god.
Nah. I'd have to look at her twice.
It's
What did
so
you just
funny.
say? I'm saying, do you remember when we went to? Where were you educated?
Fam, all the questions will be asked that day.
Oh my days.
That's hilarious.
Pulled up on a moped. Pulled up to the
She
date.
did?
She did. She pulled up to the date on a moped.
That's alright.
Listen, I have no qualms or issues with any mode of transportation.
Nah, that's wrong with
can't
that.
run. That doesn't make sense
If
to
it
me.
was the guy, I would think it's weird.
Do you remember when we were on vacation?
Yeah.
I have to be broad with this.
Okay.
Do you remember when we were on vacation?
Yeah.
And someone we know
Yeah.
met a girl
Yeah.
and then escaped the scene on the back of her moped, hugging her like this.
That's a L for the rest of his life.
I know exactly who it was and exactly where.
Bro, how you riding off on a moped with a girl and you're hugging her like nah, that's kind of wild still. I can't lie. That's kind of wild.
True.
Okay.
I took her back to my place and she started reading my post. She started opening Maz's letters and reading his posts.
What?
What?
Who does that? What? Why would you? She must have been nervous. That makes no sense. Why would you open somebody's mail and start reading it?
Listen.
Imagine.
No, I couldn't. That's the thing. I couldn't. I honestly
So
couldn't. I have no.
strange.
I don't think
Yeah,
I'd
like,
have an
what?
actual immediate reaction because I'll be so shell shocked.
Same.
I'll be
Yeah,
so
100%.
shell of all the things to do. You come in, blah blah blah, take your shoes off, come into my living room,
Doesn't
you
even
see
make
like 4 or 5
sense.
envelops there. You start opening them.
You just start reading my letters.
That doesn't
she
make
was-
sense
She was
to me,
nervous.
Nah.
That doesn't make sense to me.
Fam, I'm telling you, mixed race, some kind of confidence,
Yeah.
some
Like, I'm
kind
just
of
gonna do
all
this
sisters.
shit.
The men are lesser. You do.
Bro, I'm just thinking about it. Like, even if your house, even in your family, if somebody were to, like, you know, randomly try to read your mail, like, that's so weird. Why? It doesn't have your name on it. What could you really be looking for? What's the point? You know what I'm saying? Like, that's so strange to me. So strange.
She ordered a Red Bull to drink with her Vindaloo.
The hell is Vindaloo?
Fam, that's too much.
Yeah, you don't care for your throat
yeah,
and your mouth.
You have no regard for health and safety. She ordered a Vindaloo,
What's a Vindaloo?
hot thing.
Let me see what a
And
Vindaloo
that's
is.
what
I've
man
never
said,
heard,
and
Man said
never
hot,
heard of Vindaloo.
hot.
She ordered a Vindaloo, and when
Vindaloo.
Donnie said, and to drink, a Red
Red
Bull.
Bull. If
It's
I'm the
like,
waiter or the manager
it's a
taking that
curry-
order, I'm like,
Indian
"You
curry
sure,
dish.
fam?"
It's an Indian curry dish based on the Portuguese dish. I'm guessing it looks kind of spicy. Yeah, regarded as a fiery, spicy dish with Red Bull.
I would
Okay,
blink twice.
she's serious.
A Red
That's what that
Bull.
means. Yeah, she ain't to be
A
played with.
Red Bull and a
Mhm.
Vindaloo. Bro, where were you raised, bro?
Man said hot.
Honestly, that's a little scary or intimidating because, like, you're thinking about it. Like, so she just said she's just gonna eat some peppers and she's gonna chase it with Red Bull. Like, that's kind of wild. Like, let's be real.
I don't think you get it, bro.
I'm sorry. Fam, that's a hot. A Red Bull with your Vindaloo, bro. I don't think anyone truly understands what's going on in my head.
No, that shit
I
is
couldn't
crazy.
be the way. Me and the way would make eyes.
Yeah.
Yo, it is really crazy, bro. Cause just imagine that it's just like this person is a firecracker. So, that's a red flag for me right there, man. That's the psycho right there would come out. But guys, let me know which one of these moments you found the funniest, and let me know which date you've been on that has been horrible. What's the worst thing somebody's done on a date with you guys, man? I think for this list that they just gave us, I think the worst thing by far is still the girl getting in the car and saying drive then, because it would just be bye then, you know what I'm saying? But guys, appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to drop that like, man. I'll see you guys later.